Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner, and we're back again. So, today we've got my ring light open. Yes, the one which I received from one of the viewers with... Oh no, sorry, that's this ring light. This I haven't opened yet, maybe one day. This one is from my microscope. Okay, so because the microscope is working on my free energy, that means out of the battery power, which comes charged from the solars, I've decided to maybe supply this one with a 12 volts as well, yes, or 24, depends what does it require. So here is a meter, it's in the DC, and let's check. I know, but I wanted to share with you, so I said, why not, let's record a video. Let people know as well. Look, it's a 9.22. Okay, 9.22. Oh, if this would display at least, yes, something. Okay, so we're talking 922 volts minimum DC, and let's go up 1149. So it's not bad, yeah. 47, and that's it. I didn't check the amps, but you can calculate the number of these and you'll know as well. We can check actually in the amps, but it should be checked in series. I don't know, maybe I'm too dumb for it, but I prefer to check amps in series. I don't like to check them like that. So again, I might be wrong. I just like to. Okay, still no amps. Telling you, sometimes I'm so intelligent and there's no amps, you see. So, yes, now I know why I've done it. It's a COM, and here is to 10 amps. If I would connect it in the right way, at least, you know, that would for sure help. Telling you. Oh, why? So I can't test it. Yeah, I can't test amps. I'm telling you, in series I could do it. I know I will have a trouble. Don't test it. Now you know what not to do. I've told you. I'm remembering right. When you're connecting plus and minus, unfortunately, you can do it. You can short it. Yes. The good thing is that it has a chip, and I'll show you photos. Okay. So here is the ring light itself. It has a potentiometer here and this on-off switch on this side. Do we have more? Yes. Okay, so that's the on-off switch. That's a potentiometer. I don't know what's this. It's looking like the opto isolator, but I might be completely wrong. I don't know. I'm quite curious. Okay. Anyway, maybe it is. Maybe it's not. And here is a chip which I was quite curious about. It's FS Foxtrot S-Ray Delta 1-2 Alpha. And I was looking for that chip actually, and I found it on one Chinese website as a 22. I didn't find 12, okay? Maybe if I would look further somewhere, I would find it. But I've checked, I've translated this one, and it's looking correct because it's PWM switching power supply controller. So of course this one has different parameters, like, you know, even 800 watts, yes, volts, yes, and it's a range of power, so it's good, you know, because you can use it everywhere, and it's looking, you know, like that's the product, yes, and as well SOP 8 packaging, which is correct. That's the packaging which I know of. It's written somewhere here, SOP 8. No, pin function most. It's not, but we see the packaging. We know it's a SOP 8 packaging anyway by looking at it. So again, blah blah blah, I don't know, I can see only this. Okay, and here is a voltage, current, and you can look yourself, drain, and so on, etc, etc. So anyways, that's what it is inside the ring light. It's a small switching power supply, have a controller, small controller, and I think I'm safe enough to say that I can supply 12 volts from the battery and have my whole scope done through the free energy. Now I've got this one as well, which I bought. I've disconnected 2 diodes from it, and I've done it in purpose. And you might be asking why you're disconnecting 2 diodes. Because this one is on the 15 volts. So if you will calculate these diodes, I think they are 10 and 1.5 volt is one diode. So I said, okay, so I'll do it minus and minus, plus and plus, look. Now gives a light. Let's make dark room. Okay, and let's look how bright we can do this room. You see, it's really bright, so it's good enough, I would say, this way. But 2 diodes are disabled. If I would not disable these 2 diodes, guess what? This is really dark, yes? So that's it in this episode. Hope you enjoy it. If you can, leave us some like button. But that's it in this episode. Thank you for watching, and see you later in the next one. Bye bye.